Starting your retirement savings at 60? Tough truths and actionable steps. You think it's too late to start saving for retirement at 60? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to take control step by step. Hello everyone, this is the Brim and Stick Guy. If you're watching this, you might be feeling anxious about not having enough retirement savings at 60. It's a tough spot, but not an impossible one. Whether it's due to an unexpected medical bills, a late career start, or just not prioritizing savings, you're not alone. But now is the time to act, and I'm here to walk you through exactly what you can do. Understanding your why is important, because many find themselves without savings at this age due to reasons like supporting children late in life, the economic downturns, or simply not earning enough to put money aside. It's not about blame, it's about taking action from where you are now. Here are 10 actionable steps. Assessment and budgeting. First, assess all your current expenses and income. Create a detailed budget that tracks every dollar. Number 2 is cutting costs. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Every little bit you save can go into your retirement fund. Number 3 is to maximize your income. Consider part-time jobs or freelance to boost your income. Number 4 is to prioritize high-interest debt. Pay off high-interest debt to prevent them from eating up your potential savings. And number 5 is healthcare. Invest in your health to avoid future medical costs. Staying fit can reduce health-related expenses significantly. Number 6 is Social Security strategy. Delay claiming your Social Security benefits until you're 70 to increase the monthly payouts. Invest wisely. Even at 60, short-term, low-risk investments can be beneficial. Consult with a financial advisor. Number 8 is retirement accounts. If you're employed, max out your contributions to retirement accounts like an IRA or 401k. And number 9, leverage home equity. Consider downsizing your home, free up some cash for your retirement fund. And number 10, stay informed and educated. Keep learning about personal finances and retirement planning. You should also explore tax-free income and reverse mortgage. Look into tax-free income options such as Roth IRAs, where withdrawals can be made tax-free in retirement. Municipal bonds are another option, offering earnings that are typically exempt from federal income tax. But the pros and cons of reverse mortgage: a reverse mortgage allows you to borrow against the equity in your home, providing income without monthly payments. However, be cautious. While it can offer a lifeline, it may also reduce the equity in your home over time, affecting any inheritance you may wish to leave. Utilizing spreadsheets for tracking. Use a spreadsheet for tracking your savings goals and progress. I'll provide a template for viewers with different time frames, 5, 10, and 15 years left to work. The consequences of inaction. Without action, you might face stress due to financial insecurities or even the inability to afford basic living expenses. And it's about more than money. It's about your quality of life. The role of fitness and faith. Staying fit can help reduce healthcare costs and improve your quality of life. And don't underestimate the power of faith. It can provide immense strength and resilience during tough times. Here's a quote for you. Faith is not about everything turning out okay. Faith is about being okay no matter how things turn out. So starting to save for retirement at 60 is challenging, but it's not impossible. With the right strategies and a bit of tough love, you can still enjoy your golden years. Remember, the best times to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. So start today. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to download the budget and savings tracker from the link below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice. Remember, it's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.